Hello friends, today's our topic how to create linear pattern command in Solidworks. Let's start. Firstly select a plane and make a sketch on it. Now extrude. OK. Now select a face which we want to draw our sketch. Let's select a rectangle. OK. Now extrude cut. OK. Now go to linear pattern. In this menu you can see here is asking direction 1 and direction 2. Firstly click on direction 1 and give the direction. Second, okay. Now distance, let's take it 20. 8. This direction is 10, okay, and 5. Features to be pattern. Click on it and select the feature, cut extrude. Okay. Now you can see. Now you can see our linear is complete. Okay. 10 is less than take it 20 and 5. Click OK. Now you can see our linear command is complete. Thank you.